All right, I'm giving you 1 minute. All of you go through this case study. Hurry up. Carefully read it. हाँ जी, विजिबल है ना केस स्टडी 12th क्लास? ये लो, ये रही केस स्टडी। आप लोग इधर आ जाओ, ये सेंटर में रख लो, ऐसे देखो। आप दोनों को एक साथ बैठो। We have some fill in the blanks over here. Okay. हमने कनेक्टर लिया हुआ है py-mysql, define add record, input enter customer number, customer name, city. Okay, then we have email. Okay, हाँ जी, देन वी हैव क्वेरी। हमने एक क्वेरी क्रिएट की है, इंसर्ट इनटू कस्टमर, CNO, CNAME, सिटी, ईमेल, अमाउंट, वैल्यूज। ये उनके प्लेस होल्डर्स हैं। These are the placeholders. These placeholders will be replaced by these values given in the format function. Clear है? आप अभिषेक इधर आ जाओ, चाहे बेंच लेके यहां से देख लो। You can attach your bench here and you can see the question from here. Okay. So first fill in the blank, CR dash query. Visible? Sit here. Now it is visible. CR dash query. Yes, who will tell the first answer? और नीचे blank का hint दिया हुआ है, Python method to send SQL statement to the database. Python method, visible or clear? To send the SQL statement to the database. Yes. Who will tell the first answer? आपने query create की है and you want to run that query. आपने MySQL टेबल पे क्वेरी लगा दी और पाइथन के थ्रू आपको वो क्वेरी रन करनी है। एग्जीक्यूट, एग्जीक्यूट। यस आकृति, व्हाट आर योर व्यूज?
Execute, sir.
Yeah, execute function. Very good. All right, second fill in the blank, and this is the assignment of the meritorious students which I uploaded in the group day yesterday, I guess. DB dash, write the TCL command. TCL means transaction control language. Transaction control language. Okay. So you are to create the TCL command to save the data in the database. I told you when you are inserting anything, inserting any record, you have to do additional one work in order to save your record. Commit. Very good. Commit function. So it will be db.commit. db.commit. Okay. Am I clear with both the blanks up till now? Gaurav, Akriti, Lagan. Up till here, any doubt? All right. Moving to the third blank. Accept dash as E. आपको फाइल हैंडलिंग याद होगी, हम ट्राई और एक्सेप्ट ब्लॉक करते थे. ट्राई ब्लॉक में आपका कोड रन करता था और अगर कोई एक्सेप्शन थी तो वो एक्सेप्ट ब्लॉक में हैंडल होती थी. आई हैव गिवन यू द हिंट. थिंक एंड टेल मी द आंसर. एक्सेप्ट तो लगा हुआ है ना, एक्सेप्ट तो लगा. एक्सेप्शन या EOF एरर. एक्सेप्ट exception, accept exception as E or accept EOF error. वैसे इसमें exception ही चलेगा, exception as E. All right, moving to the try block. What is DB here? Who will tell? What is DB? Button. Are you okay? No. Yes, Bhavani, you tell me what is DB?
Sir, connection object.
Yes, it is connection object. Very good. Okay. Next question to the class. What is CUR? What is CUR? Cursor object. CUR is cursor object. How we create the cursor object? Yes, class. How we create the cursor object? इतने प्रोग्राम कर लिए कनेक्टिविटी के, अब तो बता दो. How we create the cursor object? Yes, please. +2. Involve yourself. Exams are very near. Day sheet has been given to you and still you are thinking that whether we should give answer or not. Yes, Tushar.
db.cursor.
db.cursor. Very right. Good. Cursor function is always associated with the connection object. Okay. Connection object db dot cursor function, and you can create your cursor object with the name CUR. Okay. Then we have SQL command to open the database board. अगर आपको एक database open करना है, you want to use the database, what command you will give? Use database. database का नाम क्या है? तो क्या करोगे? Use board. Very good, Manpreet, Anushka. Very good. Use board. अगर आपको database के साथ database को use करना है, okay, you want to open the database and the database name is board, the command will be use name of database. Use board. Use board. So all the blanks are clear? All the 4 blanks? Sorry, 5 blanks. Any doubt to any child in the 5 blanks? Offline class, koi doubt? Hanji, any doubt to any child in any blank? I am still asking again. No doubt? Okay. Moving to the second question. That is the table question. Table visible है आपको? Table doctor and table D department. Just give me 1 minute. All right. Two tables are in front of you. Doctor and D department. How visible? Doctor and D department. The fields are DID, D name, gender, age, मोबाइल एंड सैलरी. और डी डिपार्टमेंट के फील्ड्स हैं डीआईडी, डिपार्टमेंट, चार्जेस एंड ओपीडी. ओके, ऑल राइट. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन टू द क्लास. व्हाट इज द डिग्री ऑफ द टेबल डॉक्टर? व्हाट इज, आप नहीं बोलोगे ऑफलाइन वाले, जरा मैं ऑनलाइन को पूछूं. अगेन सेम है, मौलिक, भवनीत, मौलिक, भवनीत. आज तुषार अपने हैंड रेस कर रहा है. चलो तुषार को भी आंसर आते हैं. यस तुषार.
सर
6 डिग्री. ओके, राइट. द नंबर ऑफ एट्रीब्यूट्स इन द टेबल इज द नंबर ऑफ डिग्री. जितने कॉलम्स हैं उतनी डिग्री. ओके, नाउ आई अनाउंस द नेम एंड द चाइल्ड विल अनम्यूट हिमसेल्फ और हरसेल्फ. नंदनी, ये क्वेश्चन आपके लिए, खुद को अनम्यूट करो. Nandini, unmute yourself. She is not here in the lecture. Mohit Davar, unmute yourself.
Sir.
Am I audible to you, Mohit?
Yes, sir.
Mohit, what is the cardinality of D department table? Cardinality of
Cardinality.
ये वाला टेबल
6.
इसकी कार्डिनैलिटी बताओ मुझे.
6.
6. How 6?
The number of records in the D department table.
The number of records in the table determines the degree of the cardinality of the table. Okay. So based on these two questions, all right. First question. Questions are on the next page, I guess. Yeah. Identify the primary key and the foreign key in the table doctor. Let me open Notepad also here. Yes, come with your answer. Is the Notepad file visible to all? All right. So answer to the A part. What is the identify the primary key from the following and foreign key. Foreign key is the key whose value has been taken from the primary key of another table. Foreign key is the key whose value has been taken from the primary key of another table. Okay, I have again given you the hint. So now come with your answers. पहले मुझे बताओ प्राइमरी की कौन सी होगी. चलो मनरीत आप बताओ. DID. वेरी गुड. मनरीत क्यों लगा DID? या दो रीजन आएंगे मनरीत. एक तो कोई वैल्यू रिपीट नहीं हो रही. नहीं हो रही है. देखो D234, D234 अनिरुद्ध और यशिका, इनका सेम है. मोबाइल नंबर देखो सेम तो नहीं है कहीं. मोबाइल नंबर या मोबाइल नंबर कैन बी द प्राइमरी की. DID तो नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि D234 अनिरुद्ध का भी है, D234 यशिका का भी है. So that can't be the primary key because primary key must be unique and duplicate values are there. Okay. age 35, 40, 32, 42, 39, 45. Age is repeated? No. Age can be there, mobile can be there, salary भी हो सकती है as per the given table. D name भी हो सकता है. D name can be the primary key. Okay, right? Okay, and foreign key in the table, doctor. Check out. Foreign key is the key whose value has been taken from primary key of another table. Yeah, they can be. They can be. Okay. All right. Display the total salary of the doctors according to the department wise. Total salary of the doctors according to department wise. इसकी SQL command बनानी है. Yes, who will tell the command? Display the total salary of all the doctors department wise. Gynecology, cardiology, ENT, न्यूरोलॉजी, हर डिपार्टमेंट में जो डॉक्टर्स हैं उस डिपार्टमेंट के डॉक्टर्स की टोटल सैलरी. यस मौलिक, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ मौलिक. वेयर इज मौलिक गॉन? ये रहा. यस मौलिक, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me the result of this command.
Sir, select some salary.
Select some salary yes
From doctor.
something you are missing. From every department you are to find the total salary of the doctors which are in that particular department. So you will say
Sir, end में group by department आ जाएगा.
select department, okay, comma,
Okay.
some
Salary. Some salary.
from doctor,
Doctor, comma, D department.
department where doctor dot DID equal to department D department dot DID. Okay, group
Okay.
by department. क्लियर राइट? दोनों आईडी भी मैच हो गई और ग्रुप बाय लगा के हमने डिपार्टमेंट के बेस पे कैटेगराइज भी कर लिया. इज इट क्लियर? ऑल राइट, मूविंग टू द थर्ड क्वेश्चन. इंक्रीज द चार्जेस ऑफ न्यूरोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट टू 10%. अब ये तो आपको आनी चाहिए कमांड. Increase the charges of the neurology department to 10%. Neurology department का charges 10% से increase करना है. Yes, who will tell? जतिन आप ट्राई करो. जतिन ट्राई कीजिए. Are you getting me, जतिन? अनम्यूट करो बेटे खुद को. Is my voice audible to you, Jatin? Unmute. Yes, yes, speak out. अनुष्का आप बताइए. Update, very good. Update D department, very good. set charges equal to charges plus 10%, 0.10, where department equal to neurology. Very right. So whenever you are to increase the numeric figure by some quantity, we always take the update command, because update command is used to modify the records of the table. So update table name, set charges equal to charges in plus the percentage of amount, and where department equal to neurology. Okay, all right. D part, show the details of the male doctors whose age is between 40 to 50 and having OPD days on MWF. क्या कंडीशन है? एक तो डॉक्टर्स मेल होने चाहिए, एज ग्रुप 40 to 50 की होनी चाहिए, और ऊपर से ओपीडी डेज भी MWF होने चाहिए, मंडे वेडनेसडे फ्राइडे. MWF is मंडे वेडनेसडे फ्राइडे. यस मनरीत, अनुष्का, आप अभिषेक ट्राई करो. हाँ जी वंशिका, व्हाट आर योर व्यूज? अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. वंशिका, शेयर योर व्यूज प्लीज.
मॉर्निंग सर.
वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग वंशिका, बताइए.
मॉर्निंग सर. सर सेलेक्ट डी नेम डिपार्टमेंट. डी नेम डिपार्टमेंट इज इक्वल्स टू, क्या बोला उन्होंने, एज फ्रॉम डॉक्टर.
आप बताइए मनरीत.
सर मैं डॉक्टर.
Some minor mistake is there, Vanshika, please correct it. Okay, otherwise good, you have tried. Yes Manreet, louder. Select DID, D name, gender from doctor, comma D department, where doctor dot DID is equal to D department dot DID, and OPD days equal to MWF, and age between 40 and 50. और एक मिनट, उसने कहा शो डिटेल्स. डिटेल्स कहा है उसने? हम 3 फील्ड क्यों दे रहे हैं फिर? डिटेल कहाँ है? तो हम सारे ले लेते हैं, जेंडर भी ले लेते हो, एज भी ले लो, मोबाइल भी ले लो, स्टार भी कर सकते हो. यू कैन सिलेक्ट स्टार ऑल्सो. वी हैव टेकन 2 टेबल नेम हियर. ये सारी फील्ड तो हो गई डॉक्टर टेबल की, लेकिन जो ओपीडी डेज है that is from the department, this table. So that is why we have to take command from both the tables. First condition ये लग गई, जिनकी department ID मैच कर जाए, because doctor ID is the common field in both the tables. Doctor ID is the common field in both the tables. And OPD days, second condition ये है, OPD days must be Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Third condition again, and between 40 to 50. 3 conditions are compulsory. So 2 times we have used and operator. 1 time here, 1 time here. Yeah, gender also male. And gender equal to M. 4 कंडीशंस लग गई इस एक कमांड पे. क्लियर है अनुष्का, मनरीत, अभिषेक, वंशिका क्लियर है आपको? अब मल्टीपल कंडीशंस है क्वेश्चन में। मौलिक आपको क्लियर है? भवनीत आपको क्लियर है? भवनीत, wherever you are, raise your thumb. Your icon will come above my icon. Bhavneet, Akriti, Hiya, whatever names I am announcing, raise your thumb to give your feedback. Lagan, Vaibhav, Udit, whatever names I have announced, raise your thumb to show your feedback that it is clear to you. Sanvinder thumb is up. Akriti thumb is up, Iya thumb is up, और जिनके नाम लिए वो है ही नहीं क्लास में. Udit Gandhi is not here. Lagan is not here. Lagan is there. Okay, okay, Lagan, it's okay. I get to know you are here. All right. Next question. So, what is the E command? Show details of name, select name, D name, comma, department, comma, age, from, doctor, comma, D department, where, doctor dot did equal to D department dot did, order by salary DESC. ठीक है, क्लियर है अनुष्का, मनरीत, अभिषेक, यही है. इस पूरे टेबल में देखो जॉइंस की कमांड मल्टीपल टाइम यूज हुई है. Whenever you are picking field from two tables, from keyword के बाद you will write name of both the tables and you will take the field which is common in both the tables like this. Using the equi-join, you will equate, you will compare both the tables by taking the common field in both the tables, okay? And later you'll put the next condition. Am I clear to everyone? Yes, 12th class, up till here, any doubt, especially the meritorious students? This assignment was in the meritorious group. Maulik, clear? Okay. Clear? Offline class. Now come to the networking comprehension. Yes, please. Come to the networking comprehension. I am giving you 1 minute. All of you go through the comprehension carefully and read it. Intelligent Hub wala. Intelligent Hub is the knowledge community aimed to uplift the standard of the skills and knowledge in the society. It is planning to set up its training centers in multiple towns and villages across pan-India with its head offices in the nearest cities. They have created a model of their network within a city, a town, and 3 villages. As a network consultant, you have to suggest the best network related solutions for their issues and problems, keeping in mind the distances between various locations. So these are the buildings, blocks, okay? And these blocks are in the Y hub area. This is the head office, X city. This is the head office. These are the distances given. Okay. And these are the number of computers given. Clear to all? The number of computers are also given to you. Right?